Hey guys, it's Luciano here with Tayluck Photography, and we are covering the Parenting Autism United car show today in Nanticoke at the Garden Drive-Ins. This is the registration booth with Parenting Autism United.
So this is the second one, and it's all just about having fun and getting out and showing in different groups. Like we don't always have to do a walk. We can do car clubs. We do a soup and chili cook-off. You know, we do.
Oh, so you do other events for this?
We do Jenga events.
Oh wow!
Jenga tournaments. We do.
That actually sounds cool. Is it like a yearly event you do here now?
Well,
with the cars?
This is the second one.
All right.
Second annual. If we have more volunteers every year, it's hard to get people to do anything. Especially when you are already dealing with any subset of special needs or circumstances, you really have to hone in on people who know. And I don't know anything about cars, but they do. Register for our car, it was 15. Last year we did 10 to pre-register. It's just too confusing. Just show up if you're going to show up. It is what it is.
No, that's actually fair pricing.
Well, we did a 50-50 last year, but again, it all comes down to volunteers.
And you guys do have like trophies and stuff like that as well?
We made them with the kids.
Can we see some of them?
Absolutely.
And they made them with the kids. That's actually awesome.
Last year, I learned what a rat rod was, and they asked for
that is so cool.
A rat rod category.
Go ahead. Those are amazing.
It's just fun.
And you guys handmade those with the kids.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Yeah,
That's awesome. I would love to win one of these. That's awesome.
Well, and that's kind of what we want to do. Are events that are different. You're not gonna. It's boring.
That's special though. You're one of the first ones I've ever seen make their own awards. I'll tell you that. These are the autism awareness stickers.
So it's really funny because autism has a lot of controversy around it. So you get a lot of people who are against using the puzzle piece because I'm not a mystery, I don't need to be solved. But those are the individuals who can speak for themselves. The other ones who can't, as a parent, if I see the puzzle pieces, I know I'm in the right spot. So I'm not for it or against it, it doesn't matter to me. But we did a project with Leadership Northeast, and they provided their own logo, which was a butterfly.
Oh, that's awesome.
We went ahead and just did the decals. I really wanted to have a subtle way to support it and put it on anything. I have one on my computer, So we did different colors. We got, a spectrum of colors. It's just a subtle way to support, and it's our logo. So we know what it is, and then if somebody asks what's it for, then you get to say it's, supporting autism.
I appreciate your time, I do, and I appreciate what you guys are doing for the community, for real. This is awesome.
All of our programs are for all ages and abilities. You don't have to have autism to be a part of it. For kids to come, you can bring your daughter and anyone. It's about reverse inclusion. It's not the autism community, and you're going to come across this. It's not a certain type of cancer or anything. We're all here. We're one community. We're for each other. We're here. So we don't separate anything.
And now we will head into the show field. We have the white Hyundai Veloster with King's Culture. You all know Jay, my boy from Allentown, came out all the way to support the autism awareness. And here we have Miss Sonia Gettin with her Miata. Came out to support as well. My partner with Tandem Torque, also an Envious Worldwide 570 chapter member. Here we are in the lifted Jeep section. Look at this beautiful Wrangler Limited. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the detailing on that hood decal. Ooh, the angry eyes. Ooh, look at this. Nice classic Jeep. Here we have the old Chevy Sidestep. This thing is nice. I love the livery on it. Absolutely gorgeous. The flames. Here we have a Pontiac. I believe it is supercharged. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous.
It's only a 300, so it's decent, but could be better. Yeah, so like this one has 2 cylinders, so it's both of the cylinder bores equal out to 693.
Oh.
You get some of the bigger ones that have like 4 cylinders, and it's even though it's the same CC, like the same amount of size, like the CC size, they're just a little bit smaller.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. I learned something today. Well, thank you guys. Thank you for all your info too. Have a good day.